Welcome back everybody, I'm Kevin, this is KLS, and today we're doing a new reaction video and we're reacting to NFL. And we're reacting to a particular player called Ray Lewis. I haven't played NFL before, I am new to the sport, but I always seen it on the news, on YouTube, and it seemed like a very interesting sport. I would play it, it seems very fun. A bit dangerous, but fun. So today I'll be reacting to NFL player called Ray Lewis. I heard he's a very good player, so let's see what he got.
There's a lot of leaders in football, good leaders, guys that have an impact, and you hear them, and you hear their message. Ray Lewis, you feel him.
Oftentimes the Ravens
Ray Lewis, people, Ray Lewis.
Man, this is a hard knock.
He was about a dangerous one. I think this is they say the worst contact sport ever, but it's a very cool sport. I would play this sport. It's a very awesome sport. I love to see this sport. Even though I never played it before, I don't even know the rules. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't even know the rules, the positions, plays. I don't know nothing about this sport, but I was seeing it on the news or even on YouTube a lot. I thought that, well, I like the sport, even though I don't understand the sport, so I react to it. So, reacting to it right now. And this particular player, Ray Lewis, I heard he's very good. So, yeah. Oh, I'm eating burgers. Yeah, chocolate burgers. It's like a cookie with cream in it. Yeah, burgers.
I've seen team after team stand on the side mesmerized at Ray
What
Lewis.
the? Okay, cool dancing.
Ray Lewis, as great as he is as a leader, he's also that great in terms of football instincts.
Super Bowl 35 is underway. Deep man in the backfield behind Kerry Collins on 1st and 5. Collins to throw. Over the middle, popped in the air. It is incomplete. Almost intercepted by the Ravens.
An ability to size up a situation and actually see it before it happens.
1 second and 10. Collins inside.
Don't tell me that I can't do certain things to win.
Ray Lewis, people, Ray Lewis. Okay, there is him. Let's see what he's gonna do.
First snap, we was like, look.
He's watching him. He's a huge guy. Man, he's huge. Ooh.
Pursuit held that to a 2-yard gain.
He's a huge guy.
There he is, your Super Bowl MVP.
Because what I entered this game to do, I've done. And that's testing the body truck.
Yo, that one they shot him.
Tie this game
Grimy.
and in all likelihood send it to overtime.
Yeah, no, that's one thing that one thing.
The journey to Indianapolis. They're heading to Super Bowl 46.
Everything that starts has an end. It's like, and for me, you know, to date, I told my team that this would be my last ride.
It is a high emotion day as the playoffs get underway today for the Ravens. The beginning of the playoffs also marks the beginning of the end for Ray Lewis. The Ravens' future Hall of Fame linebacker will retire following this postseason, and that makes this his final
A
home
crow.
game as a Baltimore Raven.
A literal crow.
I think the intimidation factor that he presented before the game even started, he had the game won.
NFL Defensive Player of the Year, linebacker number 52, Ray
Comment below and tell me guys if this is a regular thing. Like whenever before a match, these players come out and do their thing. Like like is this a every match thing? Like before the match at the entrance, each player come out and do their own thing or something, or maybe some special events. Let me know in the comments here below.
For 17 years, he inspired his teammate, he inspired the guys.
That explosion and shit is every match. That's cool. It's nice. Very entertaining.
As is obvious to the viewers at home, we have a power outage here at the Superdome.
I want to try this sport. I'm just kind of afraid to get hurt.
It's no greater way as a champ to go out on your last ride with the men that I went out with my teammates, and you look around this stadium, and Baltimore, we coming home, baby. We did it.
Hurdles, madam. Yo, this does Jano Star. We don't get tackle like that. Yo, like you don't want to cut the money. Cha 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 cha.
Have ever seen. You name it in an NFL career, Ray Lewis has done it.
We get one opportunity in life.
It's a big style.
Foundation to make whatever mark you're gonna make, whatever legacy you're gonna leave the legacy.
Yo, you see that? Yo, you knock out. You knock out. Okay, so from what I've seen so far, I don't really know the positions as I said before earlier in the video, but I always make a assumption that Ray Lewis is a tackler. If that's even a position, but let's call him a tackler. So I need somebody who knows the sport or plays the sport. Comment below so I can know, so I can ask you a few questions about the sport. Like I really want to understand the sport because it seems really interesting and fun. Okay, that was uncalled for. He already threw the ball away. Why did he still tackle him? So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. And end of that video. So yeah, if you guys find it interesting, comment here below. Let me know that you find it interesting. If you want more NFL, well, I will do more NFL videos. But it depends on how many comments I got, how many likes I get for on these videos, how long I stay on this topic. So I'm Kevin, this is Careless, and I'm out. Peace.